Go.
Hi Mike, this is a quick video to show you how to change the memory that we just sent you. Basically you turn off your computer, turn it over, and then unscrew this little compartment. And this may be empty, but if it is, don't worry about it, but there may be memory in it, in which case you just unconnect these two things by pulling them away and pull it out. Put the new memory in, and you'll notice it won't go in this way, it only goes in one way. You kind of put it in at an angle and push it down, and that's it. And then you close it back up and you're good to go.